Hello YouTube, welcome back to Castle's Garage. I'm Jeremy.
I'm Pat.
And today we got a little more work done to the car. So as you can see, it's all nice and black in there. So what have we done to the car today?
All right, well today we filled in those horrible cuts that were made by one of the previous owners in this area on both sides. And filled it in, dimple dyed it, or speed holes as they're more commonly known as. And as a result, that strengthened this whole area here. That was a rather horrible cut with a chisel or something that somebody had put in there. We did the dimple dyes to allow for airflow for the fan, because you got to remember the radiator is going to be up front, and we got to have a place for the air to get out. So yeah, we now have a place for the air to get out that is stronger and looks better.
And also, over in this section right here, we added in a couple frame supports, which you'll about to see me welding, actually doing something on the car. Because my friend Pat didn't exactly fit in here with all this bracing.
Yeah, I'm not a little guy.
So that's the work we did today, and you'll see it in just a minute. All right, Pat, so what do we got going on here?
All right, so we had the big hideous holes here from a previous owner for ventilation for the radiator, which they cut into a lot of structure and removed it, and I didn't like that, so I want to fill it up back with steel, and then I'm going to put, right now I'm getting ready to drill some pilot holes on these marks, and then we're going to enlarge them. Then we're going to put dimple dyes in it to let the air out, which will actually strengthen it even more. So what I've got is a 2.5, a 2.5, and a 2-inch dimple dye going in. And that'll, between the two sides, that'll allow plenty of air to exit from the radiator.
What is a dimple dye?
A dimple dye is a race hole.
There's holes right there.
Yeah. So this is basically a dimple dye from the factory. It lightens it up a little bit and it adds some strength.
Why is that strength?
Because it's folded over. Anytime you fold metal or bend it, it adds a little strength to it. So we're adding quite a bit of strength back into here compared to what was there, and filling in an ugly hole. So like I said, right now I'm getting ready to drill the pilot holes and get after it. Get these holes drilled. That's not going to work. Take two. Now I've got to enlarge them for the mandrel on the dimple die press. It's not my day.
Take 3? Take 4?
Gotta love a step bit. Alright. Now, probably gonna need your help for a second. I want to sand these off just to clean the holes up. Actually, I don't even need to on this one.
Let's say, because those are getting shot out.
Yeah, so what we're going to do now is use a hydraulic hole punch, if you want to show them over there. And we're going to punch these holes out to the sides for the dimple dyes. Then we're going to hydraulically press the dimple dyes in. And that's going to take 2 people, so.
Well,
So
closest to me.
Yes.
That's not big enough. Yep.
Alright, so what we're getting ready to do now is punch the holes in, and what Jeremy's doing is pumping the hydraulic press. Got it?
If you're ready.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Remember, we gotta back it off half there. Push it up. Okay, ready? Slow it down. Yeah, should be good. Pop it up. Of course,
And that, gotta get the hole out.
we have a nice, clean, beautiful hole.
Number two.
Uh,
Number two.
Alright.
Hanging on by a thread.
Now, we'll switch over to the small one.
Say, I don't see the smaller one.
Hopefully the hole's big enough. Alright. Away. Good.
I hope so. Okay, so now we have a nice perfect hole.
Alright, move it.
Yep.
Beautiful. Oh, that's alright.
That is how you put race holes in your piece of shit car.
Is there a song about this one?
I believe there is a song about a piece of shit car, and this might have been what they were talking about. For sure.
Alright.
But it's my piece of shit. Whenever you're ready. So, closest to me.
Yes. You got that cut facing up, right? Yep. Alright, so what we're getting ready to do now is punch the holes in, yours. And that. And we'll go in the same order.
Alrighty.
You and me. So what these are is a press-in dimple die. You can use it on a press or a hydraulic press, as we're doing in this case. So you can do it while it's on the car, which in some cases is a lot easier. Okay, good, pump. Oh, I can hear it getting stiffer. The car. I don't hear my ass. Go ahead and pump it again. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at it. Put it back. Alright, go ahead and pump.
Helps if I do the
Sometimes. Yeah? Got it?
You do it or turn it?
I'm turning.
Huh?
I'm turning loosely. Yeah. You got it, right?
Okay.
Alright, that'll work. For the next one? Alright, go ahead and pump.
It's my piece of shit.
There you can see the finished product. Well, almost finished. A little more grinding to do around the edges to blend it in, and some seam sealer, and we are good to go.
Pat, what are we doing now?
Oh, we are welding in the supports for the longs to stiffen the frame up. Just spot welding them in. And where are these supports from?
I don't remember.
We didn't make them. They're pretty nice pieces, though. Well, adjusting to make them fit, and considering that all the work that's been done on the floor of this car, that's not bad.
No, I found them on Facebook through another 914 guy that had them. I don't remember where he said he got them from, but it's a decent kit. So there's one for each side, and then there's a piece that's going to go along the back section here. Once we actually have, a back section without this huge, massive hole. So that's what's going on right now.
So yeah, floor's done. It's time to stiffen everything else up.
This thing should be a pretty solid car by the time we're done.
Should be. Would say I'm winning.
Are you sure?
I think so. So Jeremy, what are you doing?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh, come on. You know you're welding in the frame stiffeners.
Well, I'm acting like I'm welding in the frame stiffeners.
Somebody had to do it.
Wow.
Called for somebody a little skinnier than me.
Well, I am attempting to weld in this and probably doing a very bad job at it, but you got to start somewhere. So
Nothing that a grinder and paint won't fix.
well, that's what I'm doing. Wish me luck.
Good luck. Hope the car doesn't burn down.
It will. All right, so that wraps up. That wraps up another episode of Gaswell's Garage. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, tag, share, and follow. Subscribe, and if you can, please give money to St. Jude. Have a good one.
Thanks, everybody.